The topic of food combinations has been one of great interest for several decades. And while there isn't really that much clinical evidence suggesting that it's important to keep certain food groups away from one another, there is some really interesting research that demonstrates the importance of separating highly polyunsaturated fats and oils, either from liquid oils or from nuts and seeds, which have very high polyunsaturated fat contents, away from foods with very high fructose contents. This could be things like fruit juices and, of course, fruit juice sweetened or high fructose corn syrup sweetened foods. When polyunsaturated fat rich oils are placed within the small intestine at the same time as fructose-rich foods or sweetened foods, there results a very particular response by the microbiome or the bacteria within that area of the GI. Those bacteria have a very unfavorable response when they're presented with polyunsaturated fat-rich oils and fructose. This can result in things like endotoxemia, or bacterial overgrowth of certain families. It can also lead to malabsorption. This has really been well demonstrated when you take a look at the research which presents an individual or an animal with a liquid oil and a fructose-sweetened meal. So in general, it's best to keep fructose-sweetened foods and polyunsaturated fat-rich oils away from one another. When they're combined in the same food, it can really lead to dysbiosis issues within the microbiome or imbalances of friendly and more pathogenic bacteria, and can greatly reduce the bioavailability with which our nutrients will be for absorption.